Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make meat-free corn meatballs. So to get started, we'll take a pan and have 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or desi ghee. Today I'm using olive oil here. Then we will add about 1 large sliced onion. We will cook them until they are slightly soft or slightly brown, and it will take about 5 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Saute them for about few minutes until they are roasted, and then we'll mix with the onions. Now add tomatoes. I've used half a can of chopped tomatoes, and we'll cook until all the moisture is gone. Meanwhile, I'll add 1 tablespoon of chili. I've used 1 large green chili. You can do this according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the amount of chili you're using in this dish. Now let's add the spices. I've used 1 tablespoon of kitchen king masala, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. If you would like to purchase the garam masala and kitchen king masala that I'm using, I'll leave the link below in the description box. So now I'll be adding quorn Swedish style meatballs. I'll use the whole pack here. Add half a cup of water and cook it for about 20 minutes.